Display, I'll be showing you guys how to use this application here like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video and stay tuned. As you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Once you have opened the application, you pretty much will see a drama series right away. Here down here, you can go in the category section to see other drama series that you may be interested in. As you can see, you can scroll down and look for what you want, or you can just select, let's say, the hottest one right now, and you pretty much will be finding it at the top. Also, you can go ahead in the search section here and search for what you want as well. So in the account section, nothing much, just the save feature here. We're gonna see all the saved movie and also all the movies that you liked. So in the home section here, let's say you don't want this one, you can as well scroll and look for what you want. We'll just show you some short clips of these drama series here, and you can as well give it a like, or you can tap on the three dots here to as well clear the screen playback and enable some different features, and as well enable the subtitle feature as well. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And to see all the series that this drama series here or a specific series offers, all you have to do is tap on the full series or such episode. Once tap on that option here, be able to load up everything, and you can tap on the episode option here and you'll be able to see all the episodes that this series here or this movie have. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And you can as well scroll to see the other episode as well. So you can just tap on the arrow icon at the top left hand side here to go back. So that's really pretty much how you use this application. It's very easy. You don't need any coin, any subscription, or you don't even encounter any ads at all while using this application. So if I missed anything, just let me know in the comment section, and peace out.